Hello makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikole from Nikole Beauty Co. My face is primed with foundation and I am laying in some blush from Charlotte Tilbury's Swish and Pop in the color Love is the Drug and buffing in that blush right now. We're going to use Catrice Orchid Dusk and hitting it up with the sand color. None of these tones have individual names because this is a drugstore brand from Germany. And I'm just laying that sand from my crease up towards my eyebrow. Going in with a hot pink and deepening my crease using that hot pink color to mix with the sand. Here you'll see me just smooth it out, making sure there are no lines in that transition. Blend, blend, blend. Going in with a pink shimmer on the lower lid. The other two tones were matte. Back in with that deep pink under the lower lash line and smudging that out. Going in with a gold shimmer and just my fingers on the lower lid. Going in with a gold that has black intermixed in it and deepening the outer V again using my fingers to tap, tap, tap. Just blend that in, give it a little definition, a little bit of contrast. And going in with a terracotta. And again, deepening that inner crease with that color. Just trying to create a little more definition, smudging it in. Using Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid liner in black, I'm going to create a very, very thin line on my upper lids, being ever so conscious of the fact that I have hooded eyes. Nothing dramatic, just my standard itty-bitty cat's eye. Going in with ColorPop Cream Gel Liner in Mr. Bing. I am smudging that out. And again, ColorPop Cream Gel Liner in Piggy Bank. Just adding a little bit more. Some mascara from Too Faced. Going into the Glamingo palette in Warm Sand to add a highlight. That's a wonderful palette from Violet Voss. And I'm using MAC Apostrophe. I love the look of this color. It's purple, it's got sparkles. But unfortunately, this was a lipstick fail. As beautiful as the color is in the lippy, it had very little pigmentation. It was extremely sheer. Very deceptive from the picture. Now I'm going to use Grande Lash Lift Heated Eyelash Curler just to give my upper lashes a little bit of definition. I really like this heated eyelash curler. I feel like it works fantastic. Fluff out the hair. And there we have it. That's going to have to do it for today. I'm super excited. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks, guys.